How to make Spotify playlist. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make Spotify playlist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually make Spotify playlist, all you have to do is first of all launch the Spotify app and make sure that you're signed into your account. From the bottom right, simply go to the Your Library option there, and over there you'll find an option where it says plus icon from the top right. Tap on the plus bar, and at the bottom you'll find an option that says playlist, so you can tap the playlist option. Then all you have to do is simply give this playlist any of the name over here, and once done you can just hit the create button and your playlist will get successfully created. Now adding the songs is totally up to you. You can start adding right away by tapping on add to this playlist option. It will give you a list of recommended songs which you can then go ahead and then basically add them to your Spotify playlist. And this way you will be able to make a Spotify playlist. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.